बंधुगण आज इंदिरा गांधी को जन्मदिन आपण मैंने आज ये उपस्थित हो पीसीसी तरफ आपण को धन्यवाद दूची। आज सकाळे आमर प्रभारी डॉक्टर चेला कुमार से पहुँचती 21 तारीख पर्यंत आमर कार्यक्रम अच्छी से भितर बांकी जीवे महांगा जीवे बालेश्वर जीवे भुवनेश्वर भी डीसीसी एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी सभा करेंगे। तेणु आपण प्रेस मीट रे जोग देइथवारु आपण मानकु धन्यवाद जनाऊँगी। एवं को विषय से कहे दैट ही विल डिसाइड आपण भावुची आपण माने निश्चित भाव में को विषय से कहे आपण शुणिबे एवं आपणकर मीडिया रे बहुल भाव में प्रचार करिवे बोली मु आशा करुछि। धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
Namaskar. Today is the 104th birth anniversary of our former Prime Minister, the Iron Lady of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi. When she was the Prime Minister, she has introduced Land Reforms Act and distributed lands to the landless people at free of cost. On her birth anniversary, today our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the repeal of 3 anti-farmers bill introduced in last year. The crores and crores of the farmers of this nation, they started agitating against the implementation of that anti-farmers act by Narendra Modi BJP government in the last year, November 26th. More than 11 months and 25 days, lakhs and lakhs of the farmers, they all gathered in Delhi. They sat on a hunger strike. Almost more than 360 days struggled. They could not able to convince our Prime Minister about the ill effect of the 3 draconian laws. What lakhs and lakhs of the farmers of this country, after having lost around more than 200 lives of our fellow farmer brothers, what they could not able to achieve, today it has come to a point that the Prime Minister has given an assurance that he will repeal the act in the coming Parliament session. It is all because the people of Himachal Pradesh, people of Karnataka, people of Rajasthan, a section of the people voted for the Congress party, and that effect today, it has forced Narendra Modi to repeal the 3 draconian anti-farmers law. In a couple of days before, on Deepavali day, he has reduced excise duty for the petrol and diesel, 5 rupees for the petrol and 10 rupees for the diesel. And today, the repeal of these 3 anti-farmers act. So I humbly request the people of this nation, by voting for Congress in some assembly segments itself, has forced the Narendra Modi government and BJP government to repeal this act and to reduce a little bit of raised excise duty of the fuel. If they vote for Congress in the nation, BJP in their lifetime, they will not think about an anti-people policy. So this is in the hands of the people now. If the people of this nation voted for Congress, everything will be repealed. Whatever the anti-people policy as implemented by the BJP's government will be repealed, and the fuel prices will come to normal. So this is the current situation. What all the political party leaders were trying to convince Narendra Modi, but he was very adamant. Even in the parliament, they were not allowed the opposition party to raise that issues also. But today, in eyeing the coming Punjab, Uttar Pradesh elections, he has given an assurance of withdrawing this 3 Anti-Farmers Act. It is the credit has to go to the crores and crores of the farmers of this nation first. And in addition, the struggle, the fight taken by our young and dynamic leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji. We, the Congress party, right from the day one, we were against this bill. And Rahul ji even took a tractor rally, protest rally, and even in Bhubaneswar Congress, in Orissa Congress, in many districts we had a tractor rallies. We have contested so many programs, even the Bandh. We have declared so many programs throughout the country. Congress fought for the repeal of this 3 Act. And today we have succeeded in getting this laws to put it in the dustbin. This shows whatever the Congress party has raised their issues, after a particular time of time, the BJP will realize and they will come back to the normal stage in the later stages. So many corruption charges we have made. Even Rafael. So many issues. Today they may criticize the Congress party. But the day will come. Definitely if the people stand with the Congress, the truth will come out. See, in Bhubaneswar, in our this thing also, we are the custodian for the MSP, for the rice. We have introduced the minimum supportive price for the farmers. But Narendra Modi was not ready to raise the MSP as per the recommendation of the Swaminathan committee. We are demanding this for a quite long time. But if people of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab voted for Congress and defeat the BJP, definitely the MSP price of the rice will be increased. When Congress government was there, we have waived almost 72,000 crore rupees of the farmers' debt. But today, in spite of so much of hue and cry by the farmers, after so much of disasters, so many suicides, farmer suicides, even after that also, Narendra Modi government and BJP government was not ready to even waive even a 1 rupee of a farmer, but they could able to waive lakhs of the crores of rupees for 3 or 4 crony capitalists. So this is the difference between the Congress and the BJP. So this though it is in anticipation of dividend expecting from the people in the coming Punjab Uttar Pradesh elections, whatever may be the reason, but today Congress party welcome this move and we give the whole credit to the farmers of this nation. The credit we never try to get the credit for anything. Congress is for the people. So we are very much happy to give the credit to the farmers of this nation.
सर अभी भी टिकैत जी ने बोला है कि आंदोलन रद्द नहीं होगा जब तक संसद में आंदोलन अभी भी रद्द नहीं करेंगे टिकैत और किसान.
The farmer leader and Tikat has said, but she is saying this will continue.
The agitation will continue till this.
Until the bill will be.
Yes, because see, they don't have a faith on the BJP government and Narendra Modi's word. He never stood with his own word. When he introduced the demonetization, he has told the black money will be routed out, counterfeit note will be routed out. But what is the fact today? It is doubled now. So he has given an assurance to the nation that if BJP is voted to power in 2014, they will give 15 lakhs rupees to each and every family. Would they able to give even a 1 rupee to anybody? Instead of 15 lakhs rupees, they have looted from the public. More than 15 lakhs, I can say, because for each liter of petrol from a common man, they have looted around 30 rupees per liter itself. And gas, when the UPA government was there, we could able to sell the gas for a cylinder 300 rupees per cylinder. But today the cost is 900 rupees. 600 rupees from each household. Per cylinder they are collecting. So this is the attitude of the BJP. That's the reason our former leader has told that they don't have a faith. So we will continue the agitation till the act is repealed in the parliament. Thank you. Another thing I want to tell, this is a don't club this and again. One more thing I want to tell you about, there are so many criticism on Congress party in Orissa when the Pari murder case has happened. About our stand. Congress party has demanded High Court judge monitoring SIT. That was our stand. Whether it is in a Pari case or in a Mamita Meher case or any issues, any murder crimes.
Which matter? Pari matter?
Pari matter also, in Mamita Meher issue also, we have asked for.
Mamita matter also included.
Yeah, we have asked the thing.
Okay.
SIT probe under the supervision of the High Court judge. That was our stand. Because we have told very categorically we don't have a faith on the CBI. That too, we don't have faith on the Home Minister of this nation, Amit Shah. Since he is heading the CBI, we don't have a faith. But today, even Supreme Court has supported, taken a stand of ours in Lakhimpur Kheri issue. Supreme Court has directed the UP government to constitute a High Court judge monitoring SIT probe. Now we have to ask our BJP friends of Orissa and those who have come from Delhi and ask for the CBI inquiry in Orissa. Why they have not referred the cases of Lakhimpur Kheri to CBI? Because BJP themselves don't have the faith on the CBI. If they would have got a faith on the CBI, in Lakhimpur Kheri case, they would have referred the case to the CBI. So here in Orissa, whatever the BJP is doing, it is to only to dilute and to safeguard the BJD government. Because both of them are two sides of a same coin.
Sir, in the Mamita Meher murder issue, the main accused Govinda Sahu much linked with your senior leader Bhakta Das. What changed now?
See, party is very clear. Even we are telling very clearly, if anybody, either Chalakumar or Niranjan Patnaik or Bhakta Charan Das, it is immaterial. If anybody, whether it is a Congress or BJP or BJD or anyone, if anyone is involved in that case, yes, let them face the consequences. We are not safeguarding any of the criminals. We will never safeguard the criminals. We will not shield any culprits. So if the government does anything, BJD government, if they are charging against Bhakta Charan Das, if they think that, okay, why not, they investigate. Let them investigate. Department is in their hands. Police is in their hands. They are free to go for an investigation.
बीजेपी यहाँ पर सवाल करता है कि ये देखिए भक्त दास प्रबंध यूनियन मिनिस्टर इंक्लूडिंग ये घटना पर ये मतलब कुछ इनका मतलब ये कदर करने के लिए अब बीजेपी का भी कर रही है सर इसमें क्या क्या
No, I have told very clear, categorically I have told very clear. Congress party is very clear. We want justice for the victim's family. We want a very clear, transparent probe on this issue. That is the reason we are demanding High Court judge monitored SIT probe to bring a truth and to put the real accused behind the bar. That is our stand, very clear.
Just to remind you, sir.
निरंजन बाबू को मोर प्रश्न था सर भक्तदास जदि इनवॉल्वमेंट रही घटना ममिता मेहर घटना तेज सी निजे केमती कांग्रेस भवन में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने अधिकार पाइबे कौन कार्यानुष्ठान पर्यटन हेनी जदि निर्देशक विधानसभा भितर जीवेनि भक्तदास कांग्रेस भवन में प्रेस मीट केमती
No, there is nothing wrong. If somebody, no, I agree. 1 minute. See, I don't know whether I am right, whether I understood it or not.
He says, how could Dr. Das make a press meet in Congress office when he himself is involved?
We will have separate press conference.
No, this you have to ask. No, he is a PCC president. We have spokespersons like that. See, our Bhakta Charan Das also one of the general secretary in charge of Bihar. He has the right to come and address the press in party office. Nothing wrong. Like that, any Congress leaders can come with the permission of the PCC. There is nothing wrong in that. The thing is, that issue you have to ask separately. But Congress is concerned. We are very clear. We will not shield any culprit. We will not cover up any issue. We are straight away, honestly, we are asking the government to probe very transparently, without any influence. That is the reason we have demanded the minister, the Home Minister, to step down. Because how can the investigation be free and fair when that accused father himself is a Minister of Home?
Will you seek any clarification from Bhakta Das?
No, it is his duty to give a clarification. It is his duty to give a clarification.
Right, please.
Thank you very much.
ପଢ଼ୁଛୁ କଣ
ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଦେଇଦେବା ସାର୍
ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦୟାକରି ସହଯୋଗ କର
ଆଜି ଗଣତନ୍ତ୍ରର ବିଜୟ ହେଇଛି ଯେଉଁ ଦେଶରେ ଯେଉଁ ଦଳ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଶାସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ପୁଞ୍ଜିପତିଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏ ଦେଶରେ ଯେତେ ସବୁ ଆଇନ କଲେଣି ସେ ଆଇନକି ରିପିଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ୟା ଆଗରୁ ଜମି ଜମା ସମ୍ପର୍କରେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ, ଏବେ ଫାର୍ମର୍ସଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ। ଆଜି ଯେଉଁ କୋଟି କୋଟି ଫାର୍ମର୍ସ ଏ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଚଲେଇଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଶତ ପ୍ରଣାମ ଜଣାଉଛି ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁ ଫାର୍ମର୍ସ ଭାଇମାନେ ପ୍ରାଣ ହରାଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଭଗବାନଙ୍କର ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରୁଛି ଯେ ଏ 130 କୋଟି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଅନ୍ନଦାତା ହିସାବରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ସ୍ୱର୍ଗବାସ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ମୋର ପ୍ରଣାମ ଜଣାଉଛି। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଭକ୍ତ
सर आपने एमएसपी कथा भी कांग्रेस उठेगा पार्लियामेंट एमएसपी
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ରିପିଲ୍ ହେବ ଆକ୍ଟ। ଏମ୍ଏସ୍ପି କଥା ଏଇନା ଉଠେଇଲେ ଲାଭ କ'ଣ? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ହେବ ସେତେବେଳକୁ ସେ କଥା ବୁଝାଯିବ। ନାଉ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ରିପିଲ୍ ଦେର୍ ଇଜ୍ ନୋ ଆକ୍ଟ। ତେଣୁ ଏଇନା ଏମ୍ଏସ୍ପିର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କେଉଁଠି ଉଠୁଛି? ପୁଣି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଆକ୍ଟ ଆସିବ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ ହେବ କିଛି ତ କରିବେ, ତାହେଲେ ଏମ୍ଏସ୍ପି କଥା ସେତେବେଳେ ଉଠିବ।
ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦଳର ମୁଖପାତ୍ର ମାନେ ଅଭିଯୋଗ ଆଣିଲେ ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସସ୍ମିତ ପାତ୍ର କାଉଣ୍ଟର କରୁଥିଲେ କଂଗ୍ରେସର କିଛି ଇସ୍ୟୁ ନାହିଁ, ଯେଉଁଥିପାଇଁ ମମିତା ମେହେର ଘଟଣାକୁ ନେଇ କଂଗ୍ରେସ ରାଜନୀତି କରୁଛି ବୋଲି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦଳର ମୁଖପାତ୍ର ମାନେ କହିଲେ ଯେ କନ୍ଧମାଳ ଦଙ୍ଗାରେ ସସ୍ମିତ ପାତ୍ରଙ୍କର ଇନଭଲଭମେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ହାଇକମାଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦଳ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇଥିଲା, ଯେଉଁଥିପାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କଂଗ୍ରେସରୁ ବାହାର କରାଯାଇଥିଲା। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବିଜେଡିର କୌଣସି ମୁଖପାତ୍ର କିମ୍ବା ସସ୍ମିତ ପାତ୍ର ଏ ଘଟଣା ଉପରେ ମୁହଁ ଖୋଲୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଆରେ ଭାଇ ବିଜେଡି ବାଲା ଯଦି ମୁହଁ ଖୋଲୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିବ ନା ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ ପଚାରୁଛ? ବିଜେଡି ବାଲା ଯଦି ମୁହଁ ଖୋଲୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିବ, ଆମକୁ କ'ଣ ପଚାରୁଛ?
ଅଭିଯୋଗ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଡୁ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଯେହେତୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦଳର
ଆମ ଅଭିଯୋଗର ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲେ କି ସିଏ? ଆମେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ, ସେ ପଚାରୁଥିଲେ ନିରଞ୍ଜନ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକଙ୍କୁ କିଏ ଭକ୍ତ ଦାସ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ କିଏ ଆଲିଗେସନ୍? ବିଜେଡି। କିନ୍ତୁ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ସାରା ଓଡ଼ିଶା। କେଉଁଟା ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ? କେବଳ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ରାଜନୈତିକ ଦଳ ନା ସାରା ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଲୋକେ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଦଳ କେଉଁଟା ବେଶୀ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସେଇଭଳି ତେଣୁ ଏ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ମୋତେ ଯେଉଁଟା କଲେ ଦୟାକରି ସସ୍ମିତ ପାତ୍ର ବା ମୁଖପାତ୍ର ବିଜେଡି ବାଲାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିବେ।
सर कौन कहिबे पंचायत निर्वाचन पाखे आसिलानी रोड मैप कौन प्रस्तुत करछि कांग्रेस पंचायत निर्वाचन पाखे आसिलानी कांग्रेस पक्ष कौन रोड मैप प्रस्तुत करछि
ଆପଣ କ'ଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କଂଗ୍ରେସର ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତି
जानी होनी
ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଜାଣିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ସାରା ଲୋକ ଜାଣିଲେଣି ଚେଲା କୁମାରଜୀ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
आपण जणे दियंतु ଟିକେ जणे दियंतु
ଆମେ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ
केमिति प्रस्तुत कौन प्रस्तुत
आंदोलन करुचु अन्याय विरुद्ध आंदोलन करुचु एवं आउ जहाँ जहाँ सब गला 20 वर्ष भितर अन्याय अत्याचार भूल निष्पत्ति नियाई से विषय आंदोलन करूँ लोकों पाक जीवु
बिजु जनता दल शासी बिजु जनता दल को तो बीजेपी को सेमाने स्टैंड रखिछथि लाडवाई संगठन को सुदृढ़ करछथि
सी पैसा खेल खेलुंट आम लोकशक्ति सहित मिसी ताको विरुद्ध लड़बू।
एते कम समय भितर आपण एते संख्यार उत्साह सह आसी एभली एक गुरुत्वपूर्ण विवादीय कला आईन प्रत्याहार प्रसंग में प्रधानमंत्री ऊपर आयोजित ये सांबादिक सम्मेलन में जोग देइथिबारु कांग्रेस तरफ आपण मानकु कृतज्ञता जनाऊे एवं पिसी सभापति समेत समस्त कांग्रेस नेतृमंडली चेला कुमार जी रुद्र जी ज्ञान भाई जी आमर जोगेश्वर बाबू जी समस्त को धन्यवाद दूची। प्राइड गोज बिफोर फॉल।
झील मैंने नियो
आया